press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the English class. Today I am going to teach you a new topic, Unit 8, that is wealth and values. Wealth and values. Wealth means property. Understand? Money, property. Values means usefulness of something. It means ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು. Understanding? So why this lesson prescribed for you? So because we come to know that value of our wealth. Understanding? Value of our wealth. Okay, let's see, go through the lesson, dear children. Open the page number 124, 125. 124, 125. So before we go through the lesson, small activity given to you. Let's see the activity, then we go through the lesson. Okay, wealth and values, ladder game. One game is given here. If you will be here with us, it means in the classroom, means we can do this activity, but now you are in your home, so do this activity with your sister or my brother. Okay, so here the class is divided into two groups. Look at the lines. The class is divided into two groups. Two ladders are drawn on the blackboard. The students are asked to stand in two lines according to the groups allotted. The key words are written on the board. The group members start filling up the words that match the key words in the ladders. The group which complete the ladder with more number of words will be the winner. The group should discuss and answer. So here, this is a ladder game. Two ladder, so teacher should be drawn on the board. Okay. The class is divided into two groups. Whole class divided into two groups. So A group, B group. Okay. Two ladder are drawn. So like this. Two ladders are drawn. A group, second ladder, B group. Okay, A and B, two ladders are drawn. See, the students are asked to stand in two lines according to the group allotted. So two group, according to their group, they have to stand. The key words are written on the board. So some words are used to written on the board. The group members start filling up the word that match the keywords in the ladder. So first ladder is positive, second ladder is negative. It means negative words they have to fill. A group members have to fill positive words. B group member have to fill negative words. Which are those words? Let me see. The group members start filling up the words that match the keywords in the ladder. The group which completes the ladder with more number of words will be the winner. Who will fill more number of words? It means 7 lines is given here. It means in this ladder, 7 words. Who are filling full words or more words, they are winner. That team should be a winner here. Okay. The group should discuss and answer. So group member, they have to discuss. One member have to work here. They have to one member have to be write your words. Okay. Let's see, values are qualities which you would like to develop in yourself as you grow. So as you grow, so it means when you are youth, so what you have to do? So which are the words, which are the valuable words you are going to take in your life, you are going to adopt in your life? Understanding? So here words are given. See, keywords is given here. Positive words also there in the box is there. Negative words also there. So what we have to do? We have to select the positive words and we have to adopt in our life. Understanding? So here A group member have to write the positive words. Understanding? So B members have to write the negative words. So keywords, look at the keywords, dear children. Obedience, politeness, love, dedication, passion, beauty, respect, truthfulness, encouragement, punishment, brightness, rudeness, sorrow, disrespect, forgiveness, honesty, good, repentance, hatred, bad, ugly, cruelty, kindness, health, truthfulness, falsehood, illness, strength. So here I already told you positive words also there, negative words also there. So what we have to do? A group member, they have to only select the positive words. B group member, they have only select the negative words. So we have to select here. Many more words can be used if you know them. So if other words you know them means you have to write the ladder in the ladder. So let's we write strength, positive word this is love, politeness, honesty, respect, good, beauty, hard work, then honesty, hard work. So these are the truthfulness, these are the positive words. Understanding? Negative words, hatred, rudeness, punishment, bad, ugly, cruelty, falsehood. Understanding? So other words also there in this box. You have to search the negative words and positive words. Remaining words you have to write in the ladder, dear children. Okay? Negative words you have to select and positive words. A group members have to select the positive words. B group member have to select the negative words. Understanding? So why this ladder game is given to us? Why the negative words and positive words is given here? Because we have to know the value of our life and value wealth and values. So here positive words are very important in our life. We have to take the positive words in our life to lead our life best and better. Means what we have to do? We have to do good things. We have to do hard work. So we have to build a helping nature, strength, positive thinking, respect to the elders, hard work. Everything is important to lead a good life. Understanding? So that's why we have to adopt all these good habits in our life. So we have to reject this one. We have to avoid this one. Understanding? So I hope, dear children, you come to know that ladder game. Okay, let's read wealth and values, a play. This is a play, wealth and values lesson. I am going to start now. Wealth and values, a play. So here character is there. 3 characters is here in this lesson. Mr. Balaji, Mr. Balaji, father. He have 2 sons. First one Rahul, second one Gagan. So you have to observe the board, dear children. What I wrote. Observe the board. What I wrote. Okay, this is a play. 3 characters is there in this lesson. 3 characters are there in the lesson. Mr. Balaji, he is a father. He had 2 sons, Rahul and Gagan. So this whole lesson is going to conversation one other. Okay, let's see. Wealth and values, a play. Here is the story of a rich businessman. So Mr. Balaji, he is a rich businessman. Rich businessman. Okay, Mr. Balaji is a rich businessman. Here is the story of a rich businessman. Mr. Balaji had his sons Gagan and Rahul. So I told you Rahul and Gagan, 2 sons. Gagan always helped his father and was a very responsible boy. Who? Gagan always helped. Here, Gagan always helped his father and was a very responsible boy. He was very responsible boy. Responsible boy. Who? Gagan. Gagan always used to help his father in his business and he is very responsible boy. But Rahul was very irresponsible. Dear children, you have to observe the responsible and irresponsible. This is the opposite words. So what is these words showing here? They are two members character are totally opposite. Understanding? Here responsible. Here Gagan is very responsible boy, but Rahul is irresponsible boy. Understanding? Irresponsible. Okay. So responsible opposite word is irresponsible. That's why here these words are showing us Rahul and Gagan are totally different in their character. Understood? So here, always enjoy his time with his friends. What's the character of the Rahul here? So he is very irresponsible. He always to spend his time with his friend. Always he used to enjoy, he want to enjoy, and he spend his time with his friends. Okay. So you come to know that Mr. Balaji, he is a father, he is a rich businessman. He have two sons, that is Rahul and Gagan. Gagan is he used to help his father and he is responsible boy. But Rahul is irresponsible boy and he is used to spend his more time with his friend. He want to enjoy more and more. Understood? Okay. Let's see now. The scene begins. First scene. Mr. Balaji's palatial house. Rahul. Palatial house means palace, a big house, bungalow. Understanding? Rahul. Father, give me my portion of the property. So here, first in his palace, in his house, Mr. Balaji's house, first word, Rahul is speaking. Rahul is speaking to his father that, Father, give me my portion of the property. So he is arguing in front of his father. What is my part in our property? Please share my property, give my property and money. Okay. So Mr. Balaji, audio. So very politely he is answering to his child. Oh dear, what makes you ask for a share in the property? So what's wrong with us? What's wrong with us? Why you are going to dividing this property? Why you are asking the property? He is asking to his son. Gagan, why Rahul? Why do you want your share? Aren't we happy together? So Gagan also speaking here. So dear brother, why you are asking the property? Why we are not together leading a good life? We are leading good life. We are happy. Even though we are happy, why you are asking the property? So Gagan is asking to his brother. Understanding? So next, Rahul. No Gagan, I need my share. I want to visit places all over the world. I do not want to explain things to everybody. I want to be independent and happy. I am asking for my share and not your advice. So Gagan's word, how his brother, it means Rahul, going to reply. See, no Gagan, I need my share. No, I want my share. I need my share. I want to visit places all over the world. All over the world, I want to visit the places. I want to enjoy my life. So, with my friends, I do not want to explain things to everybody. I won't want to explain everything to everybody. So, only I want my share. That's it. Who is asking here? Rahul. I want to be independent and happy. So, I won't want to be dependent on others. I want to be independent one. I want to be lead happy life. And I am asking for my share and not your advice. So, advice means salahe. So, I don't want to share and not your advice. It means I am asking my share. I am asking my share and not your advice. So I am who is telling here? Rahul. I am not asking your advice. Your advice means Gagan's advice. So only I am wanting my share. I want my share. Understanding? So because I already told you, he is irresponsible boy. he won't want to help his father in other work, and he spend more time with his friends. He want to lead a enjoy life. So that's why he asking his share. So, and even though he is asking, he is arguing his father and his brother. Understanding? See next. So, page number 126. Rahul collects the money and goes away. He wastes his money spending lavishly and leads a luxurious and wasteful life. He visits places all over the world with his friends. Eventually, he turns into a poor man. He begins to feel the need for money again. His friends his friends do not want to be with him. Rahul goes in search of them, but no one helps him. He wanders about desperately and lives in utter poverty. Gradually, Rahul realizes that even the servants enjoy better facilities in his father's house. He decides to go back home. He is advised by his father's friend to go back to his father. Rahul goes back to his father. His father sees him coming. He embraces him joyfully and takes him home. So look at the words, dear children. Rahul collects the money and goes. So he argues in front of his father. So he can't do anything. His father, what he did? He gave money to him. To whom? To Rahul. He gave money. So Rahul collected money and went away. See, go away. He wastes his money spending lavishly. Lavishly means too much. Unnecessary he used to spend his money and leads a luxurious life, a great expensive, luxurious life. Understanding? So, and a wasteful life. So, always he used to waste his life. He visited places all over the world. So, what he did? He, with his friends, he visited the places all over the world and he enjoyed his life. He spent money lavishly, he lead luxurious life. Eventually, it means in the end, he turned into a poor man. So what did? So after spending money, so he is in ending time. So he turned into a poor man. No money is there to spend. So what we have to do? If money is there means we have to think about that what we have to do in this money. So simply we are going to spend the money means there will be no money with us. Like that it's happened. He turned into a poor man. He turned a poor man. He begins to feel the need of money again. So no money is there. So he lead a luxurious life. That's why again he want to be money. So there is no money at all. He begins to feel the need of money again. His friends do not want to be with him. So what the friends did, after enjoying everything with him, they went off. They went away. So they not want to spend their time with Rahul. Rahul goes in a search of them. So what he did, Rahul? He went and searched his friend, but no one is there to help him. So this is a fact actually, dear children. If we have money is there means the people or my friend used to come with us. So if we haven't money, if we will not doing anything means they will not come with us. Like that only. See, Rahul goes in search of them, but no one help him. No one is there to help Rahul because he turned into a poor man. Who? Rahul. Why he turned into poor man? So after he lavishly spent his money, he lead luxurious life. He visit the places all over the world with his friends. He enjoyed lot. Because why he enjoyed lot? Because he had money. So now everything is over. He spent everything. It means he spent whole money. So now there is no money with him. So all friends also leave him. So now he is going to search his friend. Nobody is there to help him. To whom? To Rahul. Understanding? He warned us about desperately and lives in utter poverty. Sampurna badatana. Utter poverty means sampurna badatana. So, totally nil. There is no money at all with his pocket. Gradually, Rahul realized that even the servants enjoy better facilities in his father's house. Now he come to know that. Now he is realized. Now he is realized that even the servants leading the better life in his father's palace, father's house, Mr. Balaji's house. Servants means Alu. Okay. Even the servants leading the good, better facilities in my father's house. Now he is going to realize what the fact is. Okay. Better facilities in his father's house. He decides to go back home. What he decide, you know? Now, after everything lost, now he want to go back home. Okay. He is advised by his father's friends to go back to his father. So, with the help of his father, so with the advice of his father's friend, so he want to go back home. So, Rahul goes back to his father. Now, Rahul, after spend everything, what his property, sharing of his property, he lost everything. Now he decided, he realized that, so even the servants also take better facilities in my father's house. Now I want to go back my father's house. He realized, and with the help of his father's friend and his advice, he went and go back to his father. His father sees him coming. So he is coming nearer. So he sees who? Father. He embraces him enjoyfully. Embrace means welcome with the open arms. So he is very happy because he is a child. He is his son. That's why he is welcome it with open arms joyfully and takes him home. He is very happy who? Father. So even though Rahul is argued his father, he is not respect his father. So even though he did too much, so if he came after his lost everything, so he came near his father. His father forgot everything. He forgot everything. He opened his arm and welcomed him. To whom? To Rahul. So let's check, dear children. What is the name of the rich businessman? Yes, Mr. Balaji is the name of the rich businessman. Who were his sons? He had two sons, that Gagan and Rahul. Right? Who wanted a share in his property? Rahul wanted to share his property because he is responsible. He want to enjoy his life. Right? Why did he want his share? He want to visit places all over the world. He want to be independent and happy. He want to lead his life independent and happy, and he want to visit the places all over the world. That's why he want to share. He want to his share. That's it. Okay. Scene 2. I am going to continue on next class. I hope, dear children, you understood better. So look at the glossary words, dear children. Lavishly, it means too much. Eventually, in the end. Gradually, it means slowly. Desperately, out of control, do anything to change the situation. Embrace, put hands around to show happiness. It means hug. Okay. So I hope, dear children, you understood better. First scene and introductory part is completed. That it means ladder game is completed, and you have to, what you have to do, you have to try the ladder games. Your siblings or your cousins. So you have to make this game, dear children. It is very effective. You have to do this one. And second part I will continue on the next class. Until that, take care. Thank you.